Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a
Ooh, things are running a bit slow. It's probably good that I have a new computer on the way. Hi everybody. Oh my God. Blowing the fan takes away the green screen? That's crazy. I got a new fan today, but it shows off my green screen, so I guess I'll put it away and bring back the red fan if I can find it. It is so hot. I'm melting. Do you see me? I'm melting. Anyways, you'll notice there's a goal. I would really appreciate the help with changing midstream. I know that sounds difficult, but if you've practiced, you're okay with it. Hi, Mikos. Oh, I would love to wear my red dress. Oh my God. Oh, I'm lucky I don't wear a lot of makeup. Do you know that I think that people that wear a lot of makeup, do they either have to buy good makeup or just melt? I'm not even sure. That sounds like a humble brag, but it's more like a idiot comment. I don't know how to put it. Anyways, Naybell, you're not even late. It's been 2 minutes. I've been blabbering the whole time or playing my intro music. How narcissistic is that? I have intro music. Anyways, we do have court to watch. It's actually a little bit fresh. But if you didn't hear before, you'll hear me say it again because that is a humble brag. I have another computer on the way and big plans, baby. Very excited. Very excited. This is going to free up a lot of my time. I'm going to have one computer for recording while one computer can be working. Oh! So I'm very excited about that. Rose, my lovely friend, my court buddy. I love our chats. Okay, Brooklyn, you're so sweet. If you want to know, it's a mini computer. It costs $230 Canadian. Oh, big spender. That's right, baby. $230 Canadian, and it's beautiful. I already filled one up. Cellulite yoga pants, my friend. I filled one up, and I'll fill one up again, and I'll keep on getting filled. Take that as you may. And here's the other thing. It was, was it Prime Day? You did hear, baby. Can you mark that down? I owe you money. I owe you a lot, but I also owe you money. You're keeping the list though, right, Mikey? I would assume. My God, I am literally sweating. Anyways, I hope everybody is good. So, Sheena, you bought yours for $2,000? I could have 10 computers, unless my math is wrong. My math is probably wrong. We know that I fail math a lot. So, with that being said, what I am good at is something they actually don't really care about in school. I'll just preface this. Downloading court or recording court. But it is a little skill of mine, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a digital hoarder, a digital whore, and your friendly friend. Judge, what do you have for us today? you do make women sweat, Mikey, but that might be partial to the fact that you do meetups in Florida, which is partial to sweating. Just saying. Judge is really not taking the hint here. I'm not muted.
Computer was off for a week and doesn't want to cooperate. All right, in the matter of Tanya X versus Troy Johnson, file number 2008-32407 UN. Mr. Johnson, it's been dismissed. Yeah, you're doing everything you're supposed to do, so thank you. See you Thursday, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see what I've got.
Slutty vegan. That's a throwback. Thank you, Rose. That case was hilarious. I told people at work about that. Oh, by the way, can I get some big
Great.
D's
I have
in
a
the
gentleman
chat?
in a car. Can I ask your name, please?
Big D's in the chat, please.
Stephen
Big
Clack.
D's. Big D's in the chat.
Stephen Clack. All right.
Anyways, when we get a dismissal, we get a big D, guys.
All right.
Oh.
Mr. Clack, in the matter of Amanda Clack versus Stephen Clack, file number 2013-39346 DM.
Oh my god, I think she's gonna give it to us again. Just like Mikey just gave us the D. No, he gave us the toonie. Thank you. Sweatshop money. Oh my god. I actually feel like I'm in a sweatshop. And I am technically working it. I think this one's about to get the D as well, you guys. We're so lucky. Streamlabs, do you want to catch up with the times and go ahead and get the emojis? I would love that. You and StreamYard. They get together, these streaming companies. They ignore us.
It's been dismissed, so we're all set. Just keep making payments, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Oh my god, Judge, you need to pick up the pace. I brought a really high energy today. This is a Red Bull Zero Sugar / sugar free. What is the difference? Can somebody explain that to me?
There's somebody who's logged on
It's
on
me,
an
Judge.
iPhone. It says Wilma. Wilma, do you have a court date this morning? Are you Wilma Wilson?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, so in the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, let me bring in Mr. Wiley. Hold on, we're waiting for Mr. Wiley. All right, Mr. Wiley, go ahead and unmute your device and start your audio, please. All right, in the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, file number 22-50157 UE. That matter has been adjourned to September 8th at 8 a.m. September 8th at 8 a.m. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you. All right, you're all.
I have an Aunt Wilma, Mikey. Your mom's name was Wilma. What did people call her? I have an Aunt Wilma. She has a very broad Scottish accent. And she's also not related to me. But she is my aunt. Y'all know how that goes, right?
Set, Miss Wilson.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
How you guys gonna be
Great.
ready?
Yep, we're all set. Okay, so in the matter of help these people on their way.
Rose,
All right, in the
thank you
matter
for
of
bringing that
Latasha
up.
Deck versus
How is she my aunt? Because she's like don't you guys have aunties where like they're your female relative's friend? Close friend? Closer than your fucking real aunt? And so Aunt Wilma gets the actual W because she was around, and Aunt whatever her fucking name is who's actually not there. That's what I mean by she's like your auntie but she's not, and you always called her auntie. I don't know. Maybe that's just a me thing. I don't know. Also, 56-year-old, your family are totally avant-garde. I love your words, Sashina. You're so verbose, and I love it. I love it.
This is Ryan Boyer, file number 2015-41408DP. That matter has been adjourned to August 11 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Derek Dusso versus Jessica Dusso, file number 2006-30500DM. That matter has been adjourned to September 8 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Ionia Folk versus Dion Wilson, file number 20-47450DP. That matter has been.
She keeps saying DP, Naybell. Baby. Thank you so much. Mikey did say so. I did set a lofty goal, but that's because changing out of this outfit midstream is a lofty dream, if you will. But we're 2 down. Can we do it? I don't know. This docket is only so long, though. Thank you again, Naybell.
Adjourned to September 8 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Jessica Glisson versus Randy Glisson, file number 2019-46886DM. That matter has been adjourned to August 4. In the matter of Wendy Kearns versus Todd Dusso, file number 2002-25653DP. That matter has been adjourned to September 8 at 8 a.m. In the matter of David Shords versus Jessica Shords, file number 20-47465DM. That matter has been adjourned to September 8. In the matter of Denzel Stutzman versus Hessa Stutzman, file number 23-50320DM. That matter has been dismissed. In the matter of Linda Will.
Oh my God, Judge! We have so much to talk about. First of all, why, YouTube Daddy, would Jonathan's beautiful gifts not count towards our goal, you asshole? Secondly, thank you, Drunk Beaver Productions, for the lovely gift. That is so sweet. We have members only tomorrow. That's right, tomorrow. And second thing, did she just, she's just saying DP and it's distracting me all the way through. Okay. Thank you. What else? Hold on, I gotta scroll back. Oh, and say hi to Devin and Chuck and Lizette. And Mac, why would I not be making fun of you? My brain is fried. And Christopher Engleby, it's your birthday! It's Christopher Engleby's birthday! Michael Scott got that. I can dream that it's the Michael Scott. First of all, it's Christopher Engleby's birthday. He is a dear friend of the channel, a known gifter. Trademark Mikey. And we are so lucky to have him as a friend. Am I wrong, Chris? Is it really not your birthday, or did I remember correctly? I gotta warm up my vocal cords. Why am I screaming? Because he's my friend and I'm excited. Do you not scream when you see your friends on their birthday? Welcome to living with me, because when it's your fucking birthday, I get pretty fucking excited. And if that makes you mad, you can peace out now, because that's the way that's gonna be. Drunk Beaver Productions sending commands through there. I don't think that works, but I love the thought. Thank you, baby.
Split versus Derek Dusso, file number 22-49336DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 8th at 8 a.m. So in the matter of Diane Hubbard versus Brian Mason, file number 2014-41008UN. Oh, is that right?
John, happy wife, happy
All right,
life.
Mr. Mason, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, we
So,
can, and we can also see your ceiling fan. Ladies and gentlemen, do you have ceiling fan on your court bingo cards, trademark KCC? Please let me know if you do, because watch, it's coming up right above me. Watch for the ceiling fan. A shadow counts, and Shane, just like your super chat, counts towards the goal of getting me naked and then into more clothes.
all right, Mr. Mason, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. So, Mr. Mason, we are here today on a show cause for failure to pay child support. This is arrearages only. It's a case from Nevada. You're ordered to pay $300 per month towards your arrears balance. We've been adjourning this out to monitor payments. Looks like your arrearage as of today's date is $26,244.40, which it's actually gone up like $1,000 almost. So, Mr. Mason, the last payment we had was May 12 of 25. So I didn't have a June payment or a July payment so far. And you paid $500 back on May 12. So, Mr. Mason.
No, I have paid that.
Pro tip, this one's for free from me to you and back to me. Don't interrupt the judge, Paisley.
You made a payment since May?
Yeah, last Wednesday. The 3rd, I think that's Thursday, actually. Yeah, it's Thursday, the
How
3rd,
much did you pay?
260.
Okay. All right. So you're supposed to pay $300 every month. Do you get paid bi-weekly? Do you get paid weekly? What's your?
It's coming right out of my paychecks.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's coming right out of my paychecks, but that just started. But why is it 300 now? It's been 260 since you guys opened this back up in Michigan.
All right. So Ms. Senkowitz, was there an order for 250? My notes say 3.
This is an arrears case only, and I received correspondence from the initiating state that they want him to start paying $300 a month because his payments are so sporadic.
Okay. Is it being withheld from his paycheck now?
I don't have an income withholding in my system, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
It just started, Your Honor.
So Mr. Mason, do you have any paperwork on that showing?
Just to be clear, arrears only means the baby is over 18. Just like me. That's adult support at this time. Also, Christopher Angleby, cheese shopping, a man of my heart. I'll sing you happy birthday in a minute.
Like a pay stub showing the income withholding?
No, I haven't even gotten a paycheck yet with that on it.
But
That
I'm
would-
assuming
that would be
somebody
expanded.
contacted your employer?
Yes.
Okay.
It's already
So-
sent back in.
Okay, so you're gonna need to get documentation to front of the court. I mean, it could be Nevada doing it, I don't know, but Do you have any other child support cases?
No.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Mason, let's see where you live. I would advise you to get a copy of, when do you get paid?
This Friday.
Okay. So I would say that you need to bring a copy of your paycheck up to the courthouse so that they can verify the income withholding.
Yeah, okay.
All right, and $300 was ordered by Nevada, since that's
Right.
where you owe the child support through. So, all right, so I'm gonna set this out one more time to verify that there is an income withholding in place. So I'm gonna set it out to August 4 at 8 AM, okay?
Okay.
All right, and you need to get proof of that to Ms. Senkowitz. You can just bring it to the courthouse, go down to front of the court and drop it off, okay?
Okay, gotcha.
All right, thank you, Mr. Mason.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Devin Mishling versus Alexis Baker. File number 2019-46186 This is a date and time set for a show cause. I do not have Miss Baker in the courtroom or on Zoom. Ms. Baker is ordered to pay $361 a month in child support. As of today's date, she owes $5,509.64. This is her third show cause. We received $50.68 on July 24 of 2024. So I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear and set bond in the amount of $2,700 cash.
That's a high
In the
bond.
matter of Jeffrey Reeders or Riders, Rieders versus Alicia Roy. File number 2011-37341 This is the date and time set for a show cause against Miss Roy. She's ordered to pay $50 per month. This is arrearages only. Is this coming out of, this is a transfer case out of Missouri, Ms.
Your
Senkowitz?
Honor. Yes.
All right, it looks like she's ordered to pay $50 a month. She's paying $50 every quarter. This is a fourth contempt. She's failed to appear, so I'm going to issue a bench warrant and I'll set bond in the amount of $2,500 cash. All right, Amanda Wood versus Stephen Wood. Why don't you come on up to the podium? All right, so, good morning. Amanda Nemajian, unmute your device, start your audio, please, or video. All right, so this is file number 20-47464DM. Mr. Wood is present in person, and is it Nemajian?
Nimogene. Hold on. Exclamation mark Wood. Please put that in the chat. Also, Christopher, let's sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christopher. My good friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Christopher. I love you so much. I'm so glad you found me through the internet, and I love you. Thank you for everything. You're always so supportive. And guys, please give happy birthdays to Christopher. Erica, you have the greatest excuse. You were snuggling your grandson. Grandbaby snuggles are always welcome as an excuse around here. Also, I will require 10% tithe though of grandbaby of same said grandbabies. So you'll have to provide that if I demand it, just so you know. That goes for everybody. All of your grandbabies. I demand a tithe of your grandbaby snuggles. It's just it's the way it is. It's the way it is. You know what? That's okay. Seriously though, Christopher, I love you so much. Thank you. And happy birthday. I hope you're celebrating and had a wonderful day and all of your special wishes came true. Seriously.
Okay. Is appearing via Zoom. This is the fourth show cause. Arrearage as of today's date is $69,055.25. I show that on.
It's how much? Say it again? Oh my god, she did not. We did not. It is not. It is not.
Average as of today's date is $69,055.25. I show that on May 12 of 25, we adjourned to today's date to monitor results of a support review in his obtaining employment. He requested a support review on April 7 of 25. He failed to provide any information for the review. He was also ordered to obtain employment. The friend of the court has not heard from them since the hearing on May 12 of 25. His last payment was a $1,500 payment for bond applied to support after being arrested for a bench warrant for failure to appear. Mr. Wood has 4 children under the age of 10. Friend of the court is requesting that he provide written proof within 1 week that he is disabled through the Veterans Administration, as he has previously stated, to include the percentage of disability he has. So do you have that documentation with you?
I do in my car, Your Honor.
Want to go get it?
Yes.
Is it in his car or is he running to his car and running away? We will find out. We're going to watch this docket if I would shut the fuck up. Hi, Billy. Hi. I literally just got slightly hungry. So this is good news. That's a great time for me to ask you, what did you have for dinner, by the way? I wish I had guys in the truck and a Mikey to ask me a poll question, but I don't. So I'll ask you, what did you have for dinner? If you didn't like what you had for dinner, tell me what you wish you had for dinner. Tell me in the chat. Give me some ideas.
Okay. And Ms. Senkowitz, you want to come on up?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll be right up. Thank you.
Thank you.
I wish I had pizza too. Takeout from the slutty vegan.
Good morning. I have a Julius Chase, a pickup. Is he on your
Julius.
floor or downstairs?
Julius!
Yeah, Julius Chase.
Give me one moment, man.
Thank you.
Of course. I still have him downstairs.
Okay, do you want me to call down there or?
I can get a hold of him if you'd like. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alrighty.
Oh, and I'm ready for a Jessica Hamilton too.
Just Hamilton. It will be Mr. Chase and then Hamilton after him.
All right, thank you.
Of course.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Insert a Julius
Alright,
Caesar
so
quote and then a Jessica
let's see,
Simpson
just
quote
hang
for
out.
the 2 of them. That's what I think we should do. Julius Caesar and then a Jessica Simpson quote, because we're bringing up a Julius and a Jess from the jail, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, pizza, pizza, pizza. It's Saturday night in America, where most of my viewers are from. I love it. I really wanted pizza tonight, but I raced home to be here. Maybe I can do spaghetti, and thank you. We're 1/3 of the way. Oh my god, I learned some fractions. Courtney was making yakitori. I saw pictures of her meat. It was amazing. I love you guys so much.
Just for a moment.
And thank you, Jonathan. Drunk Beaver Productions. Yes, you do, Courtney. You have delicious meat. Bacon, egg, and cheese wrap from Dunkin' Donuts was disappointing to Miss Erica, even though she was flying high from grandbaby Snuggles. Bad sign. I make a mean egg wrap. Seriously, I'm so good at it. That's because I actually make like 25 a week or something like that, which is actually a lot when you think about it. That's like 100 egg wraps a month that I make for other people. Because I'm a personal chef. If you didn't know that, I'm a personal chef to an asshole in his 40s. Oh, it's a difficult job. Somebody, I guess, has to do it. I'm not really sure why I'm doing it. But, Judge, what are you pointing at?
I didn't know if you wanted to step in the hall with Ms. Sienkiewicz and show your paperwork.
No, I don't.
All right, good morning, Mr. Chase. So this is in the matter of Michelle Marie Say versus Julius Jermaine Chase, file number 2006-30137 DP. So Mr. Chase, we are here on two things. One is a failure to pay child support. It looks like you have an arrearages only case. The balance as of today's date is $12,030.05. This is your second show cause. Let's see. It looks like there was also a failure to appear for a show cause hearing back on April 12 of 2022. And the last payment we received was $575.05 back on June 15 of 2021. So Mr. Chase, both of these are contempt proceedings. On the failure to pay child support, you could be facing up to 45 days in jail because it's a second offense. And on the contempt of court, you could be facing up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that, Mr. Chase?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, Mr. Chase, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Yes, I do.
You understand that it's a crime to fail to appear here when you are ordered to do so. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Now, Mr. Chase, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire an attorney, we can appoint you one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
I'm not really sure if I should get one. A lot of this is new to me because I've pretty much been homeless for like the past few years. I've been struggling.
So, Mr. Chase, court-appointed attorney is free. It doesn't cost you anything. I
Yeah,
can't
I know
answer
that.
legal questions.
I just don't know if I want to put more upon myself.
Mr. Chase, again, my question is, do you want a court-appointed attorney? It won't cost you anything, but I can't give you legal advice, but your attorney
Oh,
could.
okay, sorry. Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna appoint an attorney to represent you. I'm not sure when they'll get here this morning, but we will see you again this morning. So go ahead and let them know I'm done with you for now, but that I'll bring you back in, okay?
So I do have, can I ask a question?
You may.
So prior to this, they were telling me that I had a bond.
So,
does that not
Mr.
apply
Chase,
anymore?
when I issued a bench warrant, I set a bond. Let me see. Looks like I set a $3,000 bond. All right, so go ahead and let them know. Go ahead and let them know that you're gonna have an attorney appointed and that I want to see you back, but right now I'm all set with you, okay?
So, okay, so will I be able to
Just
book the
tell
bond
them,
or?
go tell the people there that you're all set for now, and I'll bring you back in later when I have an attorney for you. All right?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, you want to come back up? Come back up. And Ms. Sinkowitz, if you want to come up to council table, you can. All right, so Ms. Sinkowitz, did he provide you documentation?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
Okay, so it shows he's on disability, 100% disability.
Oh my God, Shane. Oh, what I would pay for an orange Julius right now. Oh my God. Oh, it must be 8 years since I've had an orange Julius, plus 8+ years. Oh. Oh. I wish. Also, Jonathan, thank you so much for making the commands. We love it. You made me just think of maybe I'll actually sit and record the commands when I have my 2 computers. Humble brag. Yeah, that's right. Humble fucking brag, baby.
Well, he's on 50% disability. We did have a conversation after I sent the paperwork up to you Friday. I spoke with Amanda, and she has applied for benefits through his disability from the VA. VA is waiting on paperwork to come back for Mr. Wood to authorize it. So I would ask that you move this out a month so that we can monitor the fact that he returned that paperwork to VA.
All right, so Mr. Wood, it's really important that you get that paperwork back out, okay? So how about September 8th at 8 a.m., okay?
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and do you need a copy of that paperwork, Ms. Sinkowitz?
Nope, I saw what I needed to see.
Okay, all right, so you're all set, Mr. Wood and Ms. Imogen, September 8th. Make sure you get that paperwork back to them, Mr. Wood, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Sinkowitz, Mr. Chase requested court-appointed counsel. He was a pickup in the court this morning, so, well, I don't have a court-appointed attorney yet, so.
I will just go ahead and go back downstairs.
All right, thanks. All right, so are you Jessica Hamilton?
Yeah.
All right, this.
Okay, ma'am, please stop bringing the vibes down. I'm not exactly sure what's happening, Jess, but you need to be channeling the Jessica Simpson and her energy, and I'm really not feeling it. Please stop. Seriously, please stop.
Is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jessica Charisse Hamilton, bond number 20-19943FH. And I need Miss Walsh, so hold on a minute. Let me get Miss Walsh.
Beautiful hair. She's bored as fuck. Do you see that? Bored as
So,
fuck.
Miss Hamilton, we're here on a failure to appear for a probation violation hearing back on November 20th of 24. The probation violation hearing alleged, well, a show cause request and summons for probation violation was issued back on November 12th of 24 because you failed to report on or about November 6th of 24 for probation as instructed. Do you understand those are the charges against you?
Yeah.
All right, now it looks like you're on probation for a police officer resisting and obstructing. So do you understand if you plead guilty or found guilty, you could be facing up to 2 years in prison? Do you understand that?
Right. Yeah.
All right, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you here today on this hearing and all subsequent hearings. So would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
You already charged me you already charged me for that.
No, you have a couple things
Thank
going
you.
on. So
Yeah,
this
downstairs.
is- Yeah, you might, I don't know what downstairs was because I'm not a downstairs judge. So you must have something else going on. Did you get picked up on? It's not today's jail list. When you get
I'm
picked
getting a
up.
reading on that downstairs. Miss Shayla's rating me on that downstairs.
We don't have anything to do with Judge Shadler. It's a completely different court. So I guess what I'm asking, Miss Hamilton, is would you like an attorney appointed on my case?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would.
Okay, all right, so what I'll do is enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf and we'll appoint an attorney to represent you, so I'm all set with you. And when I can get
All
an
right.
attorney, I'll bring it back in, okay?
Uh,
All right, thank you.
Benchmark downstairs plus new 2 RLs.
Okay, she was busy. All right. All right, Mrs. Sienkiewicz is, all right. All right, Ms. Sienkiewicz, I don't know when I'll get an attorney, so I'll let you know, or you can hang out. It's up to you.
Welcome to the club, Devin. But everything I say could be construed as when you're stoned. Technically. Judge, you're looking sort of summery. Did you take a little time off? Were you sort of kicking it back at the lake, perhaps? I hear Michigan has a lot of lakes. Not as many as Canada, of course. As usual, we have a lot. But, yeah, Judge is not having a good day, it doesn't seem. But John, that's great news. Mikey is very supportive of small channels. He really is such a great help. Seriously. So I'm not surprised that he's very supportive of you and your goal to hit 666 before Halloween. I know it. I hear you. I know what you're saying. And I'm glad. I hope we get that for you. And Drunk Beaver Productions, I love you hitting all of the chats tonight, making all of the commands. We love it. We are going to do a reading, I promise. I promise. Also, Judge, could you fucking...
I'm ready for...
Hurry up! Oh, fuck!
And she
You fucked it up, Paisley. You literally fucked it up. Oh my god. You've seen that guy? Yeah. So we're here? Her? It's her turn. This is where we're going. Fuck.
Okay, so... Palmer.
I wish I had guys in the truck to blame.
Rachel Palmer, if you could unmute your device and
Rachel.
start your audio.
Rachel!
Okay, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. Hold on
Okay.
1 second.
Six 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 is not a good number. Why? It's a Halloween number. We're trying to do a Halloween goal for John to hit 666 before Halloween on his channel. I think it's so...
All right, this is in the matter.
I'll just say that. As a reminder, this channel's 2-year anniversary is coming up this month, perhaps next week. I'll have to check. But as a reminder, before that, I started my other channel before I turned 35 years old. With approximately 2 months to go, I thought, oh no, you wanted to be a YouTuber and you forgot. And so then I started my channel, and then within 2 months, I was calling myself a YouTuber, living the YouTube life. That's right, baby. Don't forget it. Your dreams can come true too.
Rachel Lynn Palmer versus Ryan Matthew Dennis, file number 25-52765 PP.
Yes.
Some paperwork here, so hold on 1 second.
Judge, be careful when you say PP.
One. So, Ms. Palmer, we're here on your motion to terminate the personal protection order You stated there have been no incidents since the breakup. The relationship has ended. I do not feel the need to have this any longer. I no longer feel that, I now feel that there's closure and contact will not occur with either party from now on. The PPO is not needed at this time or in the future. You want to raise your right hand for me?
Yes,
Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, so Ms. Palmer, has anybody threatened you in any way to get you to terminate this personal protection order?
No,
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to terminate this personal protection order?
no,
And you have no concerns for your safety or anything else from Mr. Dennis?
I do not at this time, no.
Okay, all right, well, I will grant your motion to terminate PPO.
Thank
The
you.
court clerk shall complete and file the removal of entry from lien with the law enforcement agency named in the order. So I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh,
Bye.
one
All
day
right,
I
Ms.
might be
Underwood,
so
let me bring
lucky
Mr. Chase back.
to see satin. That would make my fucking year to see satin.
The matter of Belinda Ibarra versus John Guthrie, file number 25-52564 PP. Neither party appeared.
Judge.
Yes.
Miss Ybarra called this morning. She has to go to the cancer center with her child and says she wants to adjourn. So I don't know what you want to do with that.
Fine, we can adjourn it.
Okay.
But she's
All
only
right.
allowed to pull the cancer child card once. So if you could inform her of that and just make sure that she knows it's a once every 6 months card that she's allowed to pull with the court, despite her child possibly having cancer. Oh my god. Fucking terrible person.
All right, so Ms. Underwood, we are back with Ms. Chase. Mr. Chase, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Chase?
Your Honor, Mr. Chase is now working, doing subbing for home improvement. What's the company again, Mr. Chase?
It's Cantu Home Improvement, but we do subbing for Washobia and Habitat for Humanity, places like that.
And he's living with his boss. This has kind of come together for him. I would very much like to see him out and working and doing that. And I would ask the court to perhaps give a PR bond and a brief adjournment for him to do that. And Mr. Chase is going to have to make these payments in person, I think, because he has accounts that are currently charging.
All right, Ms. Senkowitz, what is the monthly amount he's ordered to pay? I don't see one.
He's in arrears only, Your Honor, and it's our case, so you can set the arrears at whichever you prefer. I requested $200 a month because of his high arrears.
And I would request $360 a month because of his round head. But that's just me and Courtney, baby.
Mr. Chase, do you think you could pay $50 a week?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Chase, I'm gonna release you. And I'm gonna set this over to September 8th. Mr. Chase, make the $50 a week payment. If you can't afford it, don't just stop making payments. Come in and talk to Ms. Senkowitz about lowering it to like 150 or whatever.
Or whatever. Or remember that Michigan is a state where you can collect bottles. Also loud. I did see a little bit of Creed and his internet woes earlier. I feel terrible. I hope he comes back to life. He's been becoming a zombie and rebirthing. I don't know what you call it. Respawning. So I'm assuming the tobacco that he's ingested over the years will sort of like pickle him and bring him back to us once his internet is restored. Just like all of us, internet is equal to life, and we cannot live without it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Even with a pop.
Just don't dip out on us, all right?
Okay.
Your
All
Honor,
right,
if I
so I'm
could
gonna set this.
also, I'm sorry, have him come down and update his address with me. I don't have a good one for him.
That's what the district court did.
He also has 2 bench warrants in district court, Miss Underwood. So, Mr. Chase, I don't know what's going on in district court, but when you get out of jail, and I'm gonna sneeze now. When you get out of jail, you need to report to front of the court and update your address with them, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right, and you can make payments in cash at front of the court, however you'd like, okay? So we'll see you back then on September 8th at 8 a.m., okay? And I'll release you on a
Thank you.
PR bond.
I appreciate it.
All right, good luck to you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. You can
Thank
tell
you.
them I'm ready for Miss Hamilton.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks, Miss Stankiewicz.
You are not allowed to sell plasma in Canada. Don't touch that button, sir! 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 Do not touch buttons!
You said they're ready for.
You can't sell any sort of body part thing in Canada, apparently. I looked into it. I was like, doesn't somebody want these eggs? Can't it be a surrogate? That was like 10 years ago. They were like, yeah, but only out of the goodness of your heart, and you can't take any money for it. What? Sorry, what? I'm a proven breeder.
Hamilton, Miss Anselm's ready for you. Hamilton. Anselm's ready.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Hamilton, you had asked for court-appointed counsel. I am going to open up a breakout room for you and Miss Underwood so you can have a moment to chat with her. When she comes back, I will bring you back into the room.
Everybody wants my blood because I have O negative. O negative. O negative. They call me once a week about O negative. Blood running through my veins. But they don't want it because I lived in Britain or something like that. It's ridiculous. Anyways, because they really want O negative blood. Anyways, we don't, I don't know about plasma. They don't have that here. You go to the Red Cross and you get a cookie and a juice box if you donate blood. Oh, Jesus Lord Christ. I have not decided what I want for dinner tonight, but pizza
you're a
is
little
top
early
of the
anyway.
charts. Top of the charts, ladies and gentlemen. Top of the charts. Judge, does she have one of those hair clips in that is like, you know what I mean, like the spiky one, but she got it back here and she has a lot of volume and she's just bragging about her voluminous hair, or what? In Michigan, I hear that women sort of project their dominance with their hair poof. Is that not true? I'm not sure. I've heard that before. That and macaroni salad, I've heard, has a lot to do with it as well. Those are like dominance activities for Midwestern women. But I might be wrong. You know, I'm a foreigner and all. What is plasma? Is that part of your blood? They just take all your blood. They don't tell you what they do with it. They don't split it in half. I don't know what plasma is, but in Canada it doesn't matter. It's all handled by somebody and nobody's paying you money. They'll give you cookies, a lot of cookies, and a lot of juice boxes. But that's about it. Absolutely no money. Oh, wait, there are pins. They'll give you like a pin sometimes, depending. And then they will give you incessant phone calls regardless.
What's your name?
My name is Paisley. Judge, I wish you knew that about me because I know your name. And yet, hi, Sophie. Hi, Sophie, baby. How much money do you owe Mikey? I owe Mikey a lot of money, and my use of Bebe is extensive.
Miss Underwood, I will close that breakout room, bring your client back. Miss Underwood, I would also say it appears she has a couple new arrests for R&Os down in district court.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, and bench warrants.
And a couple bench warrants. So I don't know.
Your Honor, what we would like to do is that the court.
Hold on. Miss Walsh, I arraigned Miss Hamilton, appointed counsel. My bailiff states that she has some new R&Os down in district court or bench warrants on them at least. So, go ahead, Miss Underwood.
I would ask the court to enter in that guilty plea on Miss Hamilton's behalf and set this down for Wednesday morning, Your Honor. I need to look into Ms. Hamilton's situation.
All right. Miss Adams, would Wednesday or Thursday morning be better? I don't know how bad our Wednesday is.
Wednesday's fine, Judge.
Okay, so we'll set this over to July 9 at 8:30. Ms. Hamilton will see sometime that morning. I'm sure it won't be right at 8:30, but I'll enter a plea of not guilty and we'll see back at that time. Thank you, Ms. Hamilton. Yeah. All right, thank you, Ms. Walsh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Underwood.
Thank you, Paisley. Again, nobody's saying it. I mean it. I need it. You guys, that's it. I really need to eat. I thank you so much for being here. We've had such a nice evening tonight. Wasn't it nice? Hi, Amanda. You're just in time to rewind and watch the video. Or come back tomorrow. We are going to be live tomorrow around the same time with Sunday Court Watchers Anonymous meetings. If you find yourself watching court without any sense of stopping, coming forward, if you have watched a lot of law tube channels, then you are welcome. Come on down. We don't make you stop. We just talk about it a lot. And dig through my digital hoard. That's right, I'm a digital hoarder, and I invite you to join me tomorrow as we do that. But tonight, I would urge you to leave a comment. Do you know how impressive that is? Vicky impresses me every day. Vicky is the comment queen. I love her for it. I hope you know that, Miss Vicky. And it is important because YouTube Daddy is like a weird boss who really thrives on customer compliments, which is a sort of odd metric, but that's the way we have it. So anyways, thank you so much for being here. Do me a favor, remember that I love you and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Ways down red.